Alright, welcome to our Make Your Own Box Plot Help video. Today we are going to show data collection by collecting some data in a graph, data organization by ordering that data least to greatest, and then making a box plot from it. You can do this on a piece of notebook paper, multiple pieces of paper. I have a dry erase board that I'm going to do mine on. You can type it in here. You can put this in a PowerPoint. It's however you want to do it. But the first thing you have to do is collect data. You have to survey 10 people and collect their resting heart rate in beats per minute and their active heart rate after doing 25 jumping jacks. And their active heart rate will also be in beats per minute. So I've done that with mom, dad, brother, sis, grandma, aunt, friend, cousin, teacher, and my second friend. And then I have their active or their resting or R BPM, beats per minute, and active beats per minute. Then we have to organize those least to greatest. Okay, so after we have them organized least to greatest, then we're going to make our box plot. All right, so for resting beats per minute, I know 45 is my smallest, and then 49 is my next smallest. Okay, so then I'm looking at the 50s. I have 154. And then I have two 55s. Then I have 156. Then I have two 57s. Then I'm going to have 158. And then I'm going to have 161. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have all 10 of those. Then I'm going to do the active beats per minute. So my lowest one here, I see a 6 and a 6, so 60 and 68. So active would be 60 and 68. Then I have 75. Okay, 75 would be my other lowest one. And then I have two 76s. All right, after my two 76s, I have a 78. Okay. Landon, you gotta go. I'm trying to record this for class.
Okay.
Okay, and then my next lowest one is going to be 85. Then I have an 87. Then I have 88. And I have 94.
The dog pooped in the kitchen.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have all 10 of those. Okay, then after I have those ordered least to greatest, okay, I'm going to find my minimum, my Q1, my median, my Q3, and my maximum. All right, so over here, my lowest numbers are going to be 45 is going to be my minimum, and 60. Okay, those are my minimums. My maximums are going to be 94 and 61. Okay, and so in between the fifth ones is going to be my median. So it's easiest to find my median next. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here is my median, which is going to be between 55 and 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then my median right here is going to be 77. So this one's 55.5, and that one would be 77. Now I have to find the middle of this first quarter and find Q1. So this number right here, okay, so right here, the middle number is Q1, and this right here is Q1. Same thing over here, okay? So 57 is going to be Q3, and then 87 would be Q3 here. Now that I have those numbers, all I have to do is go ahead and put my box plot, my box on here, on the number line, and you have to make the scale to whatever you need to help you. So for my resting beats per minute, okay, Q4 or Q1 is 54. So I'm going to draw a line at 54 for my resting beats per minute. And then my median is about 55.5. So it's just going to be right there. And then Q3 is going to be about 57. So now that I have those 3 lines drawn, I'll connect them with my box. After I have my box connected, I look at my minimum, which is 45. I'm going to make a little dot about halfway through the boxes. Oops, that looks weird. And then right here for 61. And then I will draw my connecting whisker lines for the whisker part of the box plot. Then I have to do the same thing for my active one. For my active one, 75 is my Q1, so I'm going to draw a line up here. Oops, that kind of came down. Sorry, y'all. I'm going to draw a line up here for my active beats per minute at 75, because that's going to be Q1. And then 77 is the median. And then 87 is Q3. And then you're going to connect all those lines to make the box in the middle. And then I'm going to go up to my minimum and my maximum. I'm going to go to 60 and 94 to make my dots. So down here at 60, I'll make a dot. And then all the way up here at 94, I'll make a dot and draw that in. So you need to turn in something that has the 10 sets of data, the resting and active beats per minute ordered least to greatest, and then 2 box plots.